guys. Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday, everybody. I'm on my way. I'm just taking a little sit-down time.
TGIS.
All right? Thank God it's Sunday, literally. Day to relax, but not for me. Gotta be at work at 11 tonight, guys. Right now, I'm just taking it, scaling it back a little bit for this plate that I have to do with the family.
Overnight, 11 to
Everybody's
7.
doing, yes, overnight, 11 to 7. Everybody's doing their own little thing. Brian's on the game.
2K.
Mr. Brian is on his parlay.
What a guy.
Brianna's in there finishing up dinner for today. Watch the video, guys. Even no matter what, I make sure everything's all good. Dinner's on. Dinner's gonna be ready soon for tonight.
What a gal.
And I'll be off on my journey for my first 11 to 7, guys. Wish me luck, everybody. Please, please,
You got it, Lee.
please, please wish me luck. I think I'll be all right, guys, because I stay up at night anyways. I'm an insomniac, so hopefully I can get this right and do this little,
Wait.
plate that I have to do. Because if I like it, I'm not going to lie, it may be something that I may continue to do. Yeah, I'm thinking, I'm kind of debating if I want to do it. So if I can deal with the 11 to 7, I might switch over the game and go to 11 to 7 instead of the 3 to 11, guys. Comment down below which one you think I should do. Graveyard or mid-graveyard, 3 to 11. But I just want to wish everybody a nice, happy Sunday and thank everybody for tuning in to my crazy big black family on the YouTube app and channel, guys. And if you're new on this video, on this channel, don't forget subscribe and hit the all notification button so that you guys can get notified of every video upload post that we do on my crazy big black family, guys. Wishing you guys a very happy Sunday and a very happy upcoming week at Living My Black Girl Lifestyle on YouTube, guys. Get subscribed to her channel. She is doing a nice coloring. She's doing something to relax, feel relaxed, guys. Go buy you a nice coloring book and just like do some art to just relax, take it down, scale it down. It got to be good for the mental health, clear the mind. Just, get you some crayons, a nice coloring book, and just color, guys. That's what she's doing right now. Getting ready for her upcoming week. She has college and or work, so.
I got it after I picked out your word searches.
Exactly. She got me my word searches that I do at my job. I do my word finds with the big letters, guys. Comment down below. Do you do crossword puzzles or word finds? Or do you find yourself coloring every now and then a nice little picture to relax your mind and scale it back a little bit, guys? I want to just say thank you. Comment down below and tell me what you think about this video, guys. And what your plans are for the upcoming week or what you plan on doing, guys. I'm off on Tuesday, work Wednesday, Thursday, off Friday, Saturday, and Sunday of this week, guys. So wish me luck. I work today and tomorrow, and I'm off on Tuesday, guys. So happy Sunday.
Magical Hawks, man.
Love you guys. Have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe to this video, guys, and share this video. My crazy big black family, guys. From all of us to all of you guys.
Stacks is way better.
Blessings to you.
Blessings to all. And thanks to all. Appreciation to all.
Orlando Magic?
We love you to all.
Yeah,
Bye.
a tough game against